Good morning students. Today we will study whole and parts decimal part 4. Today we will study addition. Addition of decimal number. How to add the decimal numbers. First, in previous class we also discussed the unlike decimal into like decimal. You know unlike decimal into like decimal here. Then ordering of decimal, ascending and descending order, their comparing of decimal. Then today we study how to add the decimal. Then for example, 4.8 plus 35.45. Then first our question, 4.8 plus 35.45. You write then 4.8. How many decimal place here? Here 1, here 2. Therefore, this is an unlike decimal numbers. You put a 1 0 here. Understand you? Then we write that you don't put in left hand side of the decimal place. Then we write 35.45. You arrange this number. First again you look here 4.80 and 35.45. Don't write this way 4.80 then 35.45. Yes. Don't write this way. You don't write this way also. Okay, this is wrong. Now we add this number. First we arrange this number in like decimal. Then we add 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. Then carrying 1 here. Then you put the decimal place also. Then 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carrying 1 here. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Our answer is 4.25. Understand it? Then one more question. 375.98 plus 43.657. This is our question. First you arrange this number. 375.48, then 43. Where you write here? Ones and tens place. 43.657. You put here 0 also. Understand you? Then here 375.480. Then 43, here don't write this way, don't write you this way. You put a 0. This is wrong. Okay? You wrong. Don't write this way, you write this way, then you put the addition sign also. First we convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Here 2 decimal place, here 3 decimal place. We put a 0 in the right hand side of the decimal number. Now we add this number. 0 plus 7, 7. Then 8 plus 5, 13. Carrying 1. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then carrying 1. Then you put a decimal. Here you put a decimal. Then Now we add the whole number part. We add the whole number part. 1 plus 5, 6, 9. Then 7 plus 4, 11, carrying 1, then 4. Our answer is 419.137. Then next question, 0.085 plus 3.4 plus 5.25. Look here, there are 3 decimal numbers. First, the whole number is 0, second 3.2, then 5.25. All decimal are, which decimal numbers this? Unlike decimal. First you arrange this number in column ways. 0.085, then 3.4. How many 0 you put? You don't write in one space. Here 10, 100, 1000. 0, 0. Then 5.250. Then you add this number. Then some students write this way, 0.085, then 3.4. This is wrong. You don't put it here this way. This is wrong. You write this way. Understand? Then now we add this number. 5 plus 0 plus 0. What do you get? 5. 8 plus 5. 13. Carrying 1. Then now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then you put a decimal. Then 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Understand you? One more question here. 0.08 plus 0.095 plus 0.07. Now this question, how to add this number? First you arrange these numbers in column ways. First you arrange this number 0.08. How many? The highest decimal place is 3. You put a 0 also. Now 0.095. Then next 0.07. Then 0 also put. Now add this number. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7, 17 plus 7, 24. Then carrying 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 2. Then you put a decimal. Then 0. Our answer is 0.245. Now we have to solve the weight problems in Riya has rupees 3.75 and Rohit has rupees 5.50. How much money in both children? What is the total rupees. Here, Riya has rupees 3.75 and Rohit has rupees 5.50. What is the total rupees of both of them? First solution, Riya has money rupees 3.75. Then Rohit has is rupees 5.50. Now total money is equal to, we add 3.75 plus 5.50. Both are in decimal. How many decimal place here? 2 decimal place. Then you add this number 5, 2, then point here, then 9. Then answer, final answer, hence rupees 9.25 have both of them. Now one more question. Maya has rupees 4,328.40. Then Mohit has rupees 235.75. What is the total money? What is the total money? Again you read the question. Maya has rupees 4,328.40. Mohit has rupees 235.75. What is the total money? Then first we write what is the statement here. Maya has money. Maya has money is rupees 4,328.40. Then Mohit has money is equal to rupees 235.75. Now total money is equal to 4,328.40, then 235.75, then add this number 5, 11, carrying 1, point you put, then 14, carrying 1, 6, 5, 4. Then our answer, hence rupees 4564.15 in both of them. In both of them. Now, I give some homework for you. Question 2 A2F, question 3 A2H or exercise 7.6 in notebook. Okay, thank you.